Hello, Tom Levecki here with a quick and brief and a little more lighthearted version of the Male Plastic Surgery Weekly Stream. Dr. Steinbrech and I just did a great podcast with Alex Poro. He shared his results. Make sure you check that out. Best numbers we've ever did, and his transformation. So we're going to kind of continue with something a little more lighthearted. Out of Turkey, Doc, always gets stuff sent to him all the time. Doc usually doesn't even look at it or pay attention, but this one caught your eye. So there was some before and afters that kind of popped up on the scene out of Turkey, but it looked quite familiar. These two gentlemen. Why don't you walk through what happened, Doc?
Yeah, so I think one of our patients
Yeah.
recognized these, and then told our patient coordinator, who's Joseph, one of our patient coordinators, and then he showed us, and we were all laughing about it because it's in Turkey. This is a plastic surgery office in Turkey who just happens to think that they operated on my patients, on our patients at Alpha Male Plastic Surgery, because these guys are our patients. And the other thing is awesome is this is not even surgery. This can all be done. These are our male model makeovers.
Yep.
And these can be all done with only injectables. So they even used our before and after photos, and they tried to imply not only that they were belonging to this other surgeon in Turkey, but they also was because of that surgeon's ability to do surgery. And these really wonderful patients of ours, they didn't even need surgery. I was able to create these transformations in just 11 minutes with our male model makeover, with just injectables, no surgery, no downtime, no anesthesia, no risk, with just injectables. So we got a big kick out of what's the saying, Tom?
About imitation is the highest form of flattery.
Exactly. So I took it. I guess we took it as a compliment that that we're in practice, and people objectively from the outside world are so impressed with the results that we can get from the male model makeover that they actually want to steal. They want to borrow the before and afters, which is kind of a thing that is not really ethical, but is that they want to steal them and claim them as their own results.
Yep.
So that's
we live in a cynical world, right? So obviously you put them on your website. We do watermark. We don't watermark across the face because that defeats the purpose. But obviously they crop out the watermarks or they put in Photoshop, whatever. But what's interesting about these two particular gentlemen is, so let's just say somebody's like, Doc, how do we know you did that? Well, actually, we did videos with both of these gentlemen that have gotten 10,000s of views. So we actually have you injecting them in person, and I trust you, it's not a deep fake. That's why.
That is a very good point. We have the receipts, man. We have videos showing me injecting these guys. That's a very good point. So the buck stops here, man. But I'm just really proud. I'm really grateful for these two really great guys who allowed us to use their photos and allowed us to use their videos. And it also shows that they were so happy with their results that they wanted to share it to help educate other people out there.
Exactly. Now, the both photos are male model makeovers. We put a link to the procedure on maleplasticsurgery.com/male model makeover. We'll put that link below. But Doc, I was telling Doc also, it was also pretty funny. The gentleman with the dark and light hair, there was some hoax that went around, I think around this time last year, maybe 2 years ago, where they said this guy got plastic surgery to hide from his wife or something, right? It turned out all that before and after. Obviously, it was your patient. He was not doing anything of the sort, and it was another hoax story. So you know what? Make sure you go to the right doctor and make sure you see the right doctor.
There we go.
So it's a quick one, guys. We're signing off. Thank you so much.